Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good afternoon to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Great? That's very good. Okay, so this is our first lesson of week number 4, and today's topic is very interesting. We will be doing a very good activity, an interesting activity in today's class, and the topic name is how computers can help. Okay, we will be looking at different things, the different works that are performing without computer as well, but we will discuss that how computer can help if we use that instead of our hands or instead of people over there. Okay, so open your book page number 14. This is your book page number 14, and the topic is how computers can help. Okay, let's start with what Mrs. Herb says. Mrs. Herb is a teacher. She uses a computer to help with her work, right? Okay, when we were discussing the uses of computer, I told you we discussed the computer uses of computer in school as well, right? And then I told you that a teacher, for a teacher, computer is very very helpful because a computer plays a lot of roles for a teacher, and it helps her in reducing her burden. Let's say I'm a teacher, and this computer, this laptop helps me a lot. Why? I can easily prepare my lectures on it. I can easily take my classes on it. If I need to search for something while preparing the lecture, I can easily Google that. If I want to share something with my faculty, with other teachers, with the admin, I can send it through the email. I can send it through the WhatsApp. I can use other apps for that as well. Similarly, if I want to type, if I for making DLPs, for making the plans, I use the Word and Microsoft, right? For that, so this computer is helping me a lot. Otherwise, if I would not have this computer, I'll be making the DLPs on the pages, I'll be writing the whole day. Similarly, if I so for finding relevant things for you for the lectures, I'll be, instead of searching it on Google, I'll be reading a lot of books for that, right? Similarly, for showing you pictures, I'll be making pictures on the boards, or I'll be making charts for that, and that would be a very time taking thing, right? So now this computer has made my life very easier by giving me all of these opportunities, that if I want to show you something, I can easily share the screen. If I want to make the plans, I can easily search the related stuff on the Google. If I want to share something, I can easily send it through the mails, right? So similarly, Mrs. Herb is also a teacher, and she says that the computer plays a lot of do a lot of help to her, right? Now she says that what tasks can people do by using a computer? So she says that jobs where the same task is repeated over and over again or needs to be done very carefully. Now this is very important. Okay, that all of those jobs, all of those works where the work is repeated over and over again, right, and it need to be done very carefully, we can use computer over that instead of people. Now let me show you some of the examples of that. Okay, now I'm going to share a picture with you, and show me if the screen is show me a thumbs up if it's visible. Okay, good. Okay, can you see that in this picture there are four screenshots? Okay, the very first picture is showing the scene of a classroom in which a teacher is presenting something. Now, let's say this teacher wants to take four classes, right? There are four sections. Let's say you are in grade 2, and we have four sections for grade 2, and I am supposed to present the same lecture to four grades. So, it would be easy for me to use the computer instead of pages and papers, right? And writing all of those things down. I can use the computer, I can save the same lecture, and I can play it through the PowerPoint. I can show you the pictures, I can show you the videos. It would be helpful for me to for doing that, right? Similarly, it says that work out hard mathematics very quickly. Computer can work out hard mathematics very quickly and easily. Let's say on this corner over here, it's the computer is playing the function of the banking, right? There is this finance department everywhere, finance or accounting department everywhere, whether it's a university, it's a school, college, hospital, wherever it is, and it deals with all of the money related things, right? So instead of collecting them through this, or instead of writing the data of all those people who are bringing those money or where to send it, we can use computer for that. We can have a close check of whatever the transactions are coming, where should we send it, which people take his pay, what is the pay of those people, where the staff is given paid or not, right? So all of these activities, all of this stuff which is related to the money. Similarly, online banking, that you can easily send or receive money through your mobile apps, through your computers. So all of these facilities, because computer can do the mathematics quickly and easily, we are dependent on computers. The third point is share information with lots of people all at once. Now look at this girl who is sitting in front of a desktop screen, and she is doing something. Now let's say she is the manager of a company which is a very big company. Let's say PepsiCo, right? PepsiCo is a very big company, and let's say that she wants, there is an announcement from the head of the company, and she is the manager, and she is supposed to send that information to everybody. Now instead of walking through all of the company, instead of walking upstairs and downstairs, what she can do, she can write or type that message in the form of a mail, in the form of an announcement, and send it to the whole staff. It would be very easy and helpful for her to send that, right? Similarly, you can also see that over here there are doctors, and what they do, maybe they are the doctor needs the data of some of her patients, and what he is asking the assistant, that can you show me the data of that patient, and then she is showing that, right? So computer is helpful in the field of medical as well. Okay, so now through this I have shown you that what are the places where we can use computer instead of handwork, or instead of writing them down. Okay, now what is your task? Open your book, page number 15. There is the very interesting activity on this page. It says that there is this picture in which all of the a lot of the activities are shown to you. Okay, the vehicles are crossing the road. There is this girl, she is buying some bouquet from the person. Then there's a girl, she is buying some rolls from this person. Then there are people who are sitting in front of the cafe, they are doing some work, they are traveling, holding some shopping bags. So it says that look at the picture carefully and tell which jobs in the picture could a computer do. Instead of these people, what are the jobs a computer can do? Which activities in the picture could a computer do? Write down your answers like this. A computer can work out how much to charge for food. Okay, this is one example. Okay, now look at the picture very carefully and tell me what are the places where we can use a computer instead of people. Yes. First, observe the picture carefully. Okay, let's start from this girl who is standing in front of a florist. Now, what is the use of computer over here? That she can order this bouquet from her home through the computer. There was no need of her to come over here. She can simply order, and the bouquet would be placed in front of her house, right? So this is a good thing. Similarly, the girl who is buying rolls over here, similarly, she can also order these rolls from her home. So she can also place her order, right? Now look at these people who are holding some shopping bags, whatever they are having there in their hands. They can also place their order in an online way, and this would be, whatever they are holding would be on their doorstep easily, and there would be no need of them to walk this much. Now look at all of these vehicles. What can be the role of computer in these vehicles? That they can use a location or a tracker in their vehicles, through which they can easily find the location of anything, right? The maps, like the Google map or any other map. Now look at these people who are sitting over here. Whatever the work they are, or whatever the meeting they are doing over here, they can easily do that over the computer through online way, right? So these were the different activities which were happening in this picture, and which can be done through online way, right? Okay, now, what that was all for today. What is your home assignment? You are supposed to think of some other activities which computer can do, or where computer can be more helpful. Okay, and do write those in the form of the points on your notebook, and then I'll ask you in the next class. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the class. See you in tomorrow's classes. Take care. Allah Hafiz.